Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to take a look at time synchronization amongst your data set within LMA, Link Master Analysis. So for this demo, we've got multiple log files loaded, or measures loaded into this workspace. And this is the button right here that you're going to want to turn on. So this is the synchronization button. So let's start, we'll turn it on. So it's got little blue now around it. And we're going to start by just looking at creating a map. So what does the map look like here? And then I'm also going to right click and create a grid of that point. And I'm also going to go into under call test, I'll go to call result, and I'm going to grab and create a grid of the call test. So now I have three different views, and I'm going to put all those kind of side by side. So I'm going to tile them vertically next to each other. So we have, I go on this side, let's take a look at here. When I click on a specific point within the different graphs, you'll see that they will highlight each other. So this is a call. Now a call lasted about 65 seconds in this call test. So we had set it up to do repeated phone calls. And so when I click on a call result here, what it's going to do, let me scroll those over, is it's going to highlight for me all of the data points associated with that call. So all of these yellow is going to be highlighted. And then also on the map side, let me scroll that over, you'll see it, it highlighted for me that all of the area that's associated with that specific call. If I look at it from click on this second one where I'm just looking at a specific data point within this grid, then it's going to highlight for me just that single data point. And if I go over to this this grid, which is my call rate, it'll tell me where or within which call was that that data point there. Let's expand this one a little bit more. Let's go ahead and add maybe the SINR values, and now I will send these to the time graph so I can see them in a time graph view. And again, I'm going to put them vertically. It's going to make it kind of line them up next to each other. Now as I click in a data point within my time graph, all of the other graphs will synchronize to each other. So let's go find where that data point is. Here's the blue line. I can zoom in. We've talked about this in some of the other videos, how to manipulate the time graph. So zoom in, click on a data point, and it will tell me where I was in all the other windows. That's also true if I were to go into the log view, which we've done in previous videos. So we'll go ahead and open up the log view data. Now that the log view is open, I'm going to go ahead and tile these again vertically. It's going to get a little bit more crowded on the front. So when that happens, when you get crowded, we can see a couple different icons up here. One's the little X, and that's going to cause the menu options there to disappear. And you'll see if I just drag my mouse over, it'll pop up again, and I can pin it or keep it. But I'm gonna get rid of it, and we're gonna tile vertically again. So now, as I click in, pull that one up again. So as I click in a specific window, it will tell me what are the layer 3 messages that are going on at that time, what were the call numbers, and what were the specific values. So synchronization allows you to pull all of the different windows and the data that you're looking at into a single point in time so that you can then study maybe what was going on at different layers of your data.